Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Tonight my big dinosaurs will be fighting with my big monster trucks.
With blue corner, we've got the
Big dinosaurs!
red corner, we've got
Big monster trucks!
woohoo!
Wow.
Round one, who's your fighters?
T-Rex!
T-Rex. And who is he fighting against?
Monster Dalmatian.
Woohoo!
But this one, not the leg.
Not the lick. Round one, battle! Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh, that's a big bite.
Watch out!
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's a big mouth. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think the T-Rex won. Oh, they're still fighting. Oh, the T-Rex fell down. Who's winning?
The T-Rex!
The T-Rex. Oh no.
And
Ready
then
for round two? Who's your fighters?
Indominus Rex.
Indominus Rex.
With a big claw.
Whoa, and who is he fighting against?
Maxie, woohoo, wheelie!
Oh, he's doing a wheelie. Alright. Round two. Battle! Oh, Max D is getting scratched by Indominus Rex. And a bite too. Oh no. Oh, I think Indominus. Oh! Whoa, Max D won? He knocked Indominus Rex out. Woohoo! Ready for round three?
Yes!
Whoa. So who's fighting for round three?
T-Rex!
Whoa! Who is he fighting against?
Zombie!
Zombie. Whoa, what is he doing?
He did a
Was it donuts?
donut.
Whoa, he was doing donuts. Okay. Round three. Battle! Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what a big roar. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's biting Zombie's face. Whoa, he's got the hand. He slapped his face. Whoa. Uh-oh, I think he's about to bite. Whoa, that's a big bite. Oh no, he bit his arms. Whoa, he knocked him out. Whoa, he's still up. Oh, is that it? So who's the winner? T-Rex. Whoa, with a roar. Whoa, what a long roar. Are we ready for round four?
Yeah!
So who's fighting?
T-Rex!
T-Rex. Oh, he's got red eyes. Whoa. And who is he fighting against?
Earthshaker!
Earthshaker. Oh, he's doing a bicycle. Was that his trick? All right. Round four. Battle. Oh, with a jumping bite. Oh, that was a good attack too.
Dirt!
Oh, dirt. He threw dirt on him. Oh, he can't see now.
No,
Or did he eat it?
No, it went on his body.
It went on his body. Oh, who's winning? Whoa! What was that attack? It's called a bum attack.
A bum
Bum attack. Whoa! The T-Rex bite. Oh, and the scratch.
Yeah.
Whoa! Earthshaker lost. So who won?
T-Rex!
Woohoo! Oh, with the red eyes too. JJ, it's round five. So who's fighting for round five? Indominus Rex. Whoa, he's ready to fight. And who is he fighting against? It's okay.
El Toro.
El Toro Loco. Oh, he's doing it. What is that trick?
Dudas.
A what?
Dudas.
Adudas. Okay, Adudas. All right, round five. Battle. Whoa, that's a nice bite because he's got red lighting. Oh, El Toro Loco attack with his horns. Whoa, double attack. Uh-oh, T-Rex, Indominus Rex is coming. Ooh, that's a big bite. Ooh, whoa, that was a big... He knocked him out? Is that it? El Toro Loco is the winner? Woohoo! JJ, round 6. Who's fighting?
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. And what's that on his neck? Whoa. Who is he fighting against?
Megalodon.
Megalodon. Ooh, what is he doing? Whoa, backflip.
No.
Whoa.
No, he did this and this.
Oh, okay. So he did a tumbling.
No, he did a Buddha.
Buddha. All right. Round 6. Battle. Ooh, Spinosaurus with the bite. Oh, and then the bite again. Oh, and the tail attack. Oh, what's Megalodon gonna do? Oh, and the scratch too. What's Megalodon gonna do? Ooh.
Wag his tail.
Wag his tail. Ooh, Spinosaurus is dead. Oh, he's still alive. Uh-oh, that's a big bite. Run, Megalodon. Oh, no. Who's the winner? Spinosaurus. JJ, round 7. Who is fighting?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. And who is he fighting against?
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger. Whoa, what is that trick?
A circus.
A circus. All right, round 7. Battle. Whoa, did you hear that roar? Uh-oh, that's a very big bite. Ooh, Gravedigger with the attack. I wonder who's winning here. Uh-oh, T-Rex is falling down. Who's winning? Oh, that's a big bite. Oh no, Gravedigger bumped him. Oh, he flew away. So, who win? Gravedigger. Okay, it's the last and final round. Who's fighting on that side?
T-Bone the T-Rex.
T-Bone the T-Rex. And who is fighting for the monster trucks? Whoa, that's a big mouth.
One.
Whoa! Whoa! He got sound effects. Is he ready to fight?
Yeah.
Okay, last round, championship round. Ready? Battle! Ooh, T-Bone with the big bite on the big monster truck. What is monster? Oh, he's running over the T-Bone. Oh, who's winning this fight? This is a hard one to judge. Whoa! These two are so big. Uh-oh, who's winning? Whoa! Who do you think will win?
I don't know.
You don't know yet. Oh, that's a big bite. Whoa! Giant monster truck fell down. Who's the winner?
T-Rex!
T-Rex, T-Bone. Good job, T-Bone.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more JJ video. Goodbye.